wizard, what do you see as you twist the tiles beneath our feet? What do you see?
Know where that came from. I'm taking you down! It's hurting! Gotcha, beastie.
Move it, lads! The pod's open and time is running out!
Nice!
Prepare to repel invaders!
Know where that came from. Gotcha, beastie. Shit! Extra crispy. Gotcha, beastie.
Nice.
Well played! Pod is open! Time for commerce! No time for skimping, lads. Invest in some protective garments, like a metal card piece. Tisk tisk, what a shame. Shops closed, lads. Back to work.
Burn, you bastard! Where that came from? Shit! Suck on fire! Damn!
Sizzling hot!
Just keep killing. I'll open up the pod when you're done.
This cat's back in the game! Sizzling hot!
These nasties mean business. I'd purchase some armor if I were you. Especially the cog piece, if you want to have children. Clothes, make it the man. Or in the case of armor, keep it the man alive. Yes, buy some. Shop's closed, lads. Back to work.
We got a screamer! Burn, you bastard!
Sizzling hot!
Suck on fire! Smoke your ass!
Sizzling hot!
Careful! Burn, you bastard! Extra crispy! I can hear her!
That Barney's over, lads. Get ready for the next one. It's coming.
Suck on fire!
No time for skimping, lads. Invest in some protective garments, like a metal cod piece. These nasties mean business. I'd purchase some armor if I were you. Especially the cog piece, if you want to have children. Prepare to repel invaders! You know what they look like. They're bleeding already.
Zeds incoming!
Sizzling hot! Nice!
see how I get. Burn, you bastard! No Zed shall escape me! Zed, uncloak! Extra crispy! I can't hear a thing! Suck on fire! It's uncloaked!
Sizzling hot. Nice.
How about we shake things up?
No time for a bevy. For sure. Get to the pond.
Nice.
Grab all the ammunition you can, and don't spare the cost. It's brutal out there. More Zeds on their way. Go show them how we treat turnstile jumpers.
I got your plunker! Burn, you bastard! Zed shall escape me! Extra crispy! Know where that came from? Suck on fire! Yes, we shoot, we score! Gotcha!
Sizzling hot.
You're nearly done with this lot. Not bad, but don't get cocky.
Nice.
Extra!
Move it, lads. The pod's open and time is running out. I think your ammo bag is running a bit light there, don't you? I don't think witty repartee or a well-groomed toupee will be enough here, lads. Buy some ammo! You're not Gumbo the elephant, mate. You need to try something lighter. Breezy, even.
That's better. Suck on fire!
Sizzling hot!
On you, bastard!
We did good, guys!
Gotcha! Extra crispy! Gotcha, beastie!
Sizzling
You're
hot!
nearly done with this lot. Well done for a man with one hand.
Nice!
Watch it, Simon! No Zed shall escape me!
Well played. Pod is open. Time for commerce. Tell me your secret, mate. How did you get through all that without a scratch? Oh, it's your breath, yes.
Found the weapon, guys! We've got demons! Cover the plane! On you, bastard! Know where that came from?
Simon, what's your name?
Watch it, there's a cloaked one around!
Nice! Careful! Like Zed!
No Zed shall escape me! It's uncloaked! Incoming! Flash power! Extra crispy!
Drop down!
Don't let up now, lads. You're almost free and clear. That Barney's over, lads. Get ready for the next one. It's coming. Grab all the ammunition you can, and don't spare the cost. It's brutal out there.
Nice.
Got a weapon here.
Tis, what a shame. Shop's closed, lads. Back to work.
Gotcha. And what, people?
You feel me now? It's hurting!
Strike! Worth every drop of sweat. Gotcha. Someone help me. Kiss that.
Nice!
Damn it! Invisible pitch again! Smoke your ass! Where that came from? Siren!
Sizzling hot!
No time for a bevy. For sure. Get to the pond. I think your ammo bag is running a bit light there. Don't you?
Flashbound!
You feel me now?
Kiss that! Strike! Gotcha! And more people! Oh, that's better.
I'm taking you down! Invisible!
Worth every drop of sweat.
Nice!
I can hear her, but not see her. On you, bastard!
Almost done, mate. Trader Pod will open soon.
I can't see her yet. Gotcha. Yes, we should rescore.
Watch out! Siren!
None said shall escape me.
Sizzling hot!
No point in saving, ladies and gents. The fat lady is singing. Oh, get moving, mate. This is no time to stop and smell the corpses. Oh, that's a funny thing. You go to the trader pod, not away from it. This isn't delivery, it's takeout. I don't think witty repartee or a well-groomed toupee will be enough here, lads. Buy some ammo! Think smaller. That's too heavy for you. Prepare to repel invaders!
Well, I suppose this could have scientific value. This would go so much faster if you just killed yourselves! Cowardice is not a strategy! Electrocution can create a lifetime of enduring this pain. Would you like to be part of an electrical circuit? Effectively utilizing plasma is a fine art. Don't gloat yet! You're outnumbered now!
Sizzling hot!
Armor experiment concluded. Eaters, please do away with them.
Oh, where that came from.
Brain injuries are most common from light exposure.
Nice.
High-frequency sounds can cause headaches, nausea, even death. Engage cloaking field. Edars, would you kindly? Admit I was wrong.
That's better.